Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope fine and safe at home. Okay? Yes? Okay. So, students, we started chapter 2. Is matter around us pure? In this chapter, till now, we discussed, first we discussed types of changes, physical and chemical change. Then we discussed about pure substance. What comes under pure substance? Element and compound. Okay. And element further it is divided into three types. What are they? Metals, non-metals and metalloids. So in detail we discussed the properties of all these. Then we discussed about mixture and types of mixture. How many types of mixtures are there? Two. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So students, today we will discuss the difference between compound and mixture. So discussing the difference, we will discuss here the properties of compound and mixture. This way we will differentiate between compound and mixture. So, first point, in compound, the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. In compound, the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. Okay, taking an example, it will be clear to you. One of the example of compound, water. Water is a compound. What is formula of water? H2O. Okay. How many elements are there in water? 2. Hydrogen, oxygen. So how many elements are there? 2. Hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Now what is the mass of hydrogen? 1. Atomic mass I am talking about. What is the mass of hydrogen? 1. And how many hydrogen atom in water? 2. So what is the mass of 2 hydrogen atom? 2. Because 1 hydrogen atom atomic mass is 1. So 2 hydrogen atoms, what will be the mass? 2. Okay. Oxygen, how many atom? 1. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So here we are writing the ratio of masses of the elements in this compound. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 8s are. Bring this to simplest ratio. So 1 ratio 8 by mass. So water is a compound. And what are the constituents in water? Hydrogen and oxygen. What are the constituents? Hydrogen and oxygen. And these constituents, hydrogen and oxygen, are present in fixed proportion by mass. What is that fixed proportion by mass? 1 ratio 8 by mass. So, first property of compound. In compound, the constituents, this is a compound. In compound, the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. Like water is a compound. It is made up of 2 elements, hydrogen and oxygen. And this hydrogen and oxygen are combined together in fixed proportion by mass. What is that fixed proportion by mass? 1 ratio 8 by mass. Now this water you can get from different sources. You can get water. Tap water. You can get water from borewell. You can get water from river, pond or from some other country. But always water will be made up of these 2 elements only, hydrogen and oxygen. And they will be always combined together in fixed proportion by mass. And what will be that fixed proportion by mass? 1 ratio 8 by mass. Okay, so the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. This is the first point which we are going to discuss about compound. Okay. Second, one more example we can take here. Carbon dioxide. One more example, carbon dioxide. This is also what? CO2 compound. How many elements? What are the constituents in carbon dioxide? Carbon and oxygen. What are the constituents? Carbon and oxygen. Okay. And how many carbon atoms in carbon dioxide? 1. And what is the atomic mass of carbon? 12. And oxygen, how many atoms? 2. One oxygen atom, what is atomic mass? 16. So 2 oxygen atoms, 16 2s are 32. Now bring this mass to simplest ratio. Okay, so 8, 3, 4 3s are 12 and 4 8s are 32. So what is the simplest ratio? 3:8 by mass. So carbon dioxide is a compound. Carbon dioxide is a compound. What are the constituents in it? Carbon and oxygen. And this carbon and oxygen is combined together in fixed proportion by mass. What is that fixed proportion by mass? 3:8 by mass. Okay. So in compound, the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. Okay. One more example I will take. Iron sulfide. Iron sulfide. What is formula? FeS. Okay. And why this is a compound? Because what is compound we have discussed in the last period. What is compound? Compound is pure substance. Compound is pure substance made up of 2 or more elements. Made up of 2 or more elements. Combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So iron sulfide, it is made up of 2 elements. Iron and sulfur. Iron and sulfur. And these are combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So what are the constituents in iron sulfide? Iron and sulfur. And what is atomic mass of iron? 56. And what is atomic mass of sulfur? 32. Bring it to simplest ratio. So 8 7s are 56. 8 4s are 32. So what is the simplest ratio? 7:4 by mass. So iron sulfide is a compound. It is made up of 2 elements, iron and sulfur. So what are the constituents in it? Iron and sulfur. And this iron and sulfur is combined together in fixed proportion by mass. What is that fixed proportion by mass? 7:4 by mass. Okay. So what is first point in compound? In compound, the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. Okay. And the color of iron sulfide sulfide is black. What is the color of iron sulfide? Black. Okay. Now, we'll come here to mixture. First point. In mixture, the constituents are mixed, not combined together. Constituents are mixed in any ratio by mass. Difference can you see? Here the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. But in mixture, the constituents are mixed in any ratio by mass. Example, salt solution. This is an example of mixture. And how we prepare salt solution? Take some water in a test tube, add salt, a pinch of salt, a spoonful of salt you can add in any ratio. Take some amount of water, not fixed. Add a pinch of salt or you can add a spoon of salt, mix it, stir it till it dissolves. So what you get? Salt solution. What you get? Salt solution. And so salt solution is what? It is a mixture. Here what are the constituents? Salt and water. What are the constituents in salt solution? Salt and water. And the salt and water, it is mixed. How? In any ratio by mass. So in mixture the constituents are mixed in any ratio by mass. In the last period we discussed about mixture definition. What is mixture? Mixture is impure substance made up of two or more element or compound. Made up of two or more element or compound mixed in any ratio. Mixed in any ratio. Like salt solution is a mixture. What are the constituents? Salt. What is salt? Sodium chloride. What is salt? Sodium chloride. And what is sodium chloride? Element, compound or mixture. It is a compound because it is made up of two elements. Because compound is made up of two or more elements. Compound is made up of two or more elements. Here two elements, sodium and chlorine. And they are combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So salt, what is salt? Sodium chloride, which is a compound. What is water? H2O. Here also water is made up of two different elements. So this is also what? Compound. These two elements are combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So salt solution is a mixture which is made up of two compounds. And these two compounds are mixed in any ratio by mass. Okay. Second example, sugar solution. This is also what? Mixture. How we prepare sugar solution? We dissolve sugar in water in any ratio. So sugar, what is formula? C12, H22, O11. And what is water formula? H2O. Both are what? Compound. Because how many elements it is made up of? Three different elements. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So what is this? Compound. Water is also compound. So to prepare sugar solution, which is a mixture, we are mixing two different compounds in any ratio. Okay. Now, one more example I will discuss here. In a china dish, take iron filling. What you will take? Iron filling. Iron fillings means very small pieces of iron in the form of powder. Okay. So add iron filling to it. And what is the color of iron fillings? Grey. Okay. A spoon of iron filling. Then to this add sulfur powder. What you will add? Sulfur powder. And what is the color of sulfur powder? Yellow. Okay. So iron filling means Fe. And Fe is what? Element, compound or mixture. Fe, iron, made up of only iron atoms. So it is element. What is element? Element is pure substance made up of only one kind of atoms. In iron, only iron atoms will be there. So iron is what? Element. Here sulfur powder. What is sulfur powder? S, sulfur. Sulfur is also what? Element. Because sulfur is made up of only sulfur atoms. So what is element? Element is pure substance made up of only one kind of atoms. Okay. So this is chana dish. What you have added to this, put in this chana dish? Iron filling, which is grey in color. Next what you added? Sulfur powder, which is yellow in color. So two elements you mixed and mix it. This is sulfur powder. What is this? Sulfur powder. What color? Yellow. And iron filling? Grey. Mix it in any ratio. So what you get? Mixture. So what is your next example? Mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder. This is another example of mixture. Mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder. So here iron filling grey color you can see separately, and you can also observe yellow colored sulfur powder. These two are mixed in any ratio. So both are elements, you mixed in any ratio. So what is this? Mixture. Okay. So this is the first point we discussed, the difference between compound and mixture. What is the first point we discussed? The constituents in a compound. In compound, the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. Like iron sulfide is a compound which is black in color. The constituents in it are iron and sulfur. They are combined together in fixed proportion by mass. What is that fixed proportion by mass? 7:4 by mass. Okay. Next, what is mixture? In first mixture, first property. In mixture, the constituents are mixed in any ratio by mass. Example, mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder. So, you mixed here iron filling and sulfur powder. These are the two constituents. In any ratio you mixed it. So, what you got? Mixture. So, the constituents are iron filling and sulfur powder, and they are mixed in any ratio. So, in a mixture, the constituents are mixed in any ratio. But in compound, the constituents are present in fixed proportion by mass. Okay.